Hi guys, I'm Dan Williams with Finished Basements NJ. We just wanted to give you a little overview of the beginning stages of the job. So we're here at a very large basement in Holmdel. So part of it, the basement we're really excited about is the wine room. It's going to house about 3,000 bottles of wine. It's going to have a full glass facade, so it's going to have a great view from coming into the basement right into the wine area. Right next to that is going to be the home office as well as a gym. Both of those rooms are going to have glass facades as well, so you're going to have a lot of natural light. And even though there's a lot of rooms, that's going to feel very open down here. Nearby is actually going to be a room dedicated to their dogs. People are looking to have a space where they can put them while they're entertaining, and they'll have a playroom, and that as well is going to have a lot of glass. We're going to try to keep that theme throughout. So you guys can actually see behind me in that area, right where you enter the basement, we're going to have a really cool feature. We're going to have a bunch of cabinets that are going to be used for storage as well as parties for people to put their food on. And then in the center, we're going to do a bench seat. But the cabinet areas are actually going to have recessed lit niches, which are going to look awesome. It's going to be a real difference maker. So we're excited about that. So you guys can see right behind me that this is going to be the TV area. So we've kind of kept a nice theme here with the rounded half wall that's going to have rounded seating as well. And then we have recessed trays that also have a rounded feel. So we kind of have a theme of these nice lines and this nice flow. On the opposite wall is going to be the TV wall, which is going to be a TV, fireplace below, and then recessed wall niches on either side that are going to be lit. I'm standing exactly where the bar is going to be. So this is going to tie into their entertainment area. The bar is going to be curved as well. And there's going to be a curved valance that's going to be really impressive with the trim package that they've already picked out. There'll be a back bar with the front with dishwasher, appliances, everything that you would need to entertain. Behind me is going to be a spa, which is going to be amazing. It's probably the largest one we've done. So it's going to be a separate bathroom with toilet and sink. And then the spa is going to be a whole separate entity with a steam shower, complete with a soaker tub, a separate dry sauna, floating vanity, double vanity. It's just going to be amazing. So we're really excited to show that to you later on. When we move over to the other side of the basement, there's an open stairway with a spindle handrail that we usually do. There's going to be tons of built-ins over there, built-in shelving and storage. There's going to be a sitting area over there for people to kind of be separate from all this action, complete with a custom bookshelf with a hidden door into the storage area. So that's going to be another area that's going to draw people over there just as well as this. There's also going to be a bedroom over there for guests to stay. So we have that going on along with a large walk-in closet and a pantry. So we're excited to show you more and keep you involved in the process. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.